Hello and welcome back to another plane spotting photo editing video. God, that's a mouthful. And today I'm going to be showing you how to remove distracting objects from your plane spotting photos in seconds using Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get into it. So here's our photo and I'm going to open with Photoshop 2025. So on the left hand side on the toolbar, we're going to go down and click this. It looks like a little plaster with some magic stars on it called the remove tool, shortcut, keyboard button J. So once we got that, personal hotspot, yes, we're connected. Because it's an AI tool, it needs an internet connection. Anyway, so where were we? We've selected the remove tool / hit J on our keyboard. At the top, we want to make sure that we've got generative AI on. If you've done some kind of editing in Photoshop or changes or whatever where you've got a few different layers, either merge them all together or make sure that you have sample all layers selected at the top there. But as this is the only layer I'm working on, I don't need to do that. But yeah, anyway, once we've got a brush tool, we can use the bracket keys to make it bigger or smaller. And all we're going to do, literally, there's this lamppost, going to brush over it right down to the top to the bottom all in one stroke. Let go of the trackpad on the mouse. Gone. Gone. What about this? Just do this little sign here. Select that. There we go. This is the first time I've tried it with this photo as well. So there may be times that you do get issues that it won't work quite as well as you want it to. With AI, always give it a few different goes because each time you generate something, it will be different. But as we can see, that's that sign gone. And then this little CCTV camera here was annoying me. So we're just going to literally select that, let go, let AI do its thing, and there we go. That's the distractions removed from this photo, as you saw in actual seconds. Literally 3 clicks, done, and it's just transformed it into this far cleaner, far more appealing image to look at. So yeah, if you haven't got a Photoshop subscription, this is why it's worth every penny, because it's the power of what you can achieve on it is epic. As you can see, it's not always perfect. If for some reason it's produced another sign there, but this is the thing with AI, it's fantastic, but sometimes you do need to just have a few goes. It's never going to be perfect is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, don't expect exceptional results every time. It's AI at the end of the day. It's not always going to be bang on, but get as accurate as you can, give it a few goes, let it generate a few times, and yeah, hopefully at some point you'll get a result you're happy with. So yeah, anyway, that's it from me today. A quick one, but nonetheless a really awesome feature of Photoshop 2025. So yeah, transforms the plane spotting photography game. If you have watched this far, thank you so much for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, get it out there, spread the word. These videos are going to start coming thick and fast. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.